Hello children, I am Mrs. Deepa Tang. Now in the last video you have learned cursive small alphabets A, B, C and D. Now today we are going to learn cursive small alphabets E, F, G and H. Now let's see how to form cursive small E. This is the cursive small E. It's very easy. We have to use only two blue lines to form the alphabet. Now from the second blue line, we will start and we have to write the alphabet in a single stroke without lifting our hand. Little slanting way, go up, touch the first blue line. Now form cursive small E in this way. It's very easy. See, again I am doing, go up, take a turn and form the alphabet. Now if it is too much easy, the children will again use the simple way to write. They know how to write C. What we have noticed, they will write C and then they will give a slanting line in this way to form the alphabet. But is it right? No. This way of writing is not correct. You have to write in a single stroke. So you have to start by slanting line and then you have to form the alphabet. This is the correct way of writing. This is the cursive handwriting book. Now we will write cursive small E. This is the cursive small E. Always follow that a dot is given. That means you have to start with this point. Little slanting way, go up, curve and form the alphabet. It's very easy. Don't lift your hand. You have to just go on tracing on top of the lines which is given on the book. It's very easy. Okay, now you have to write only in these two black lines what is given. Start from here. Just recall, you should not lift your hand. But that's the main point you should remember every time. Go up, touch किया, down करके alphabet को form किया. See, it's very easy. Okay. See, very nicely you have done it. Now, this is the cursive small F. Now, this way of writing F is totally different. You will find it little hard, but I will show you with a small trick to it. But let me first tell you how the movements will go to form the alphabet F. Now you have to start from the second blue line. Now what you have to do, little slanting way, you have to go up and touch the red line. Then give a little curve in this way. See, I am lifting my hand so that you will be easily visible for you. You have gone up, touch the red line with a curve. Now you have to come down forming a straight line, touch the red line over here. Now again give a small curve, go back, touch the point where it is joined and go out of the alphabet. This is the same pattern. See, again I will show you with the magic. See, you have gone up, given a curve. Okay. Now from there, see where you have to come. You have to touch the red line. So form a straight line, come directly touch the red line. Now again give a small curve, go back and give a touch to that, touching the first blue line. Now what children will do? Children will again use a magic over here. They will use a short form. They will write in this way. Okay. Now they know how to write B in this way. This is the B. How B is formed. I will show you the magic. How you can use this form to write F. You know how to write B, cursive B. Now the same way you have to use. Go up, but you have to come little down and then form that. See, both the movements are same. But B, you have to turn little early, and for F you have to touch the red line and give a longer curve to that. This is the difference. So this is the way how you will write F. Okay. This is the F. While looking F, you will feel very confused from where to start. Okay. Start from here. Slanting blade, go up. Take a turn. Now you have to come down straight, form a straight line. Again give a curve, go up. Now come out of the alphabet. Single way you have to form this alphabet. Be very careful to form alphabet F. So you have to do the tracing work very nicely. Go up, take a turn. Now from there come down right and touch the red line. Forming a curve, go out of the alphabet. Take care so that you have to form this alphabet, otherwise you will go on a wrong way. Come down straight, then you take a turn and go out of the alphabet. Now let's see, I will show you with the method. Second line, you have went up, touch the red line, give a curve. I am lifting my hand so that you will come to know from where to take a turn. Okay, now from there come down straight, forming a straight line. You touch the red line. Now with a little curve, again go up and go out of the alphabet. To learn it, first you trace on slate and trace in your handwriting supplementary book. Okay children? This is the cursive small g. The G is also very easy. You have already learned how to write G in this way. Same pattern it is, but starting you have to start with a curve, and while ending you have to go out of the alphabet. That is the difference. Come on, let's see. With the second blue line, you have to start. First, you have to go up in this way. Form G. See, this is the G what you have learned. Now, after touching the red line, you have to go out of the alphabet. Go up, curve, come back. Again touch the first starting point. Come down straight, touch the red line and go out of the alphabet. Now, the children are very cunning. They will use the same magic how to do. They know how to write G as they have learned in nursery. The same way. They will form the G in this way. They will lift their hand, go out again and give a slanting way. But this pattern is wrong. The G is correct, but the pattern of writing is wrong. You have to start with a curve, form in this way and then go out of the alphabet. One small clue I want to give you to write G. See, you know how to write cursive small a. See, in this way, you know how to write cursive small a. Okay, this is the cursive small a. Now, to form the G, follow the same way, write cursive small a, but instead of giving a curve, come down straight and go out of the alphabet. Wasn't it easy? Yes, I think you will catch this magic very easily. Okay, this is the way how to write cursive small g. This is cursive small g. Go up, form in this way, then come down and go out of the alphabet. Tracing way same. The thing you have already learned, cursive small a. See, if I will lift my hand, it will form cursive small a, but we have to write G. So, directly come down, touch the red line and go out of the alphabet. The small clues you have to remember so that it will be very interesting for you to learn the alphabets. See, got it? Now, the same method we will use over here. See, this is the A. If I lift my hand, A will be formed. Okay, but we have to write G. So, we will go directly down, touch the red line and go out of the alphabet. See, है ना, easy है ना? Now what will come after G? H. Cursive small h. Now let's see how to write. It is of the same pattern how you have learned in nursery. Same movements are there, just you have to start with a slanting line and end with a curve. You have to start with the second blue line, same way. Now how you will write? Slanting way, go up, touch the red line and give a little curve in this way. Okay, I have lifted my hand so that you will be able to see it nicely. Go back. Now from there, come down straight, forming a straight line, touch the second blue line. Now what you have to do, stop for a second, on that same line, go up, touch the first blue line, give a curve, come down and go out in this way. It's very easy, okay? Same way how you have written. Go back again, touch the second blue line, first blue line, come out and form the alphabet. Follow the same method, starting with the slanting line. Slanting line, go up, come down, same line, go out of the alphabet. This is the right way. Some children will draw in this way. So this is the wrong way to form the alphabet. Cursive small h. Start from here. Slanting wheel, you have to go up. Then take a turn. Come down straight. On the same line, go back and form the alphabet. Do the tracing word properly. Go up and trace very nicely. The same thing will follow over here. Second white black line. Go up slanting way, take a turn. Now what you have to do? You have to draw a straight line in this way. On the same line, go up and form the alphabet. See, it's very easy. On a single movement and a single stroke, you will be able to form the alphabet. See children, wasn't it easy, all the alphabets? E, F, G, H. Now, I think you all might have been able to form it very easily and you will be interested to write on your handwriting supplementary book. Parents, please guide your child and give them small clues so that they'll be able to form the alphabets. Thank you children.